Harishchan from LSBU. I am a data science student today, and my student ID is 4328039. Today I am going to represent my report on data management, which is a report on prototype database development task. So let's share my screen.
That's like the top 10 in the fact invoice join GOB supplies. Let's take with supplies. You can see the top 10.
As you can see here, I have created a database in my TSQL and called BISDW, where first I have to drop all the things. I have to drop all the tables that I have created here so that it will run smoothly again.
Part one, I have overall top 3 supplies.
Okay, so after execution, I have to refresh the table so that it will show only the remaining tables. And I have there are tables called given in BIS tables that have spending over 20,000, and I have downloaded it from the website. These 4 tables are for CSV files are downloaded and uploaded here. And there was another file called suppliers invalid, so I have to upload it here. So let's upload it by input pet file, and next
Rank as select, order by, partition by.
I have to change it here, all files, and this is the invalid file. So in this way, I have uploaded the invalid file and all the other 4 files that is already shown there, and we have to allow the nulls, and that's it. Finish and close. Yeah, this supplies invalid file is on here, and we have to refresh it. Now let's create staging table. So STG BIS spend, we have to create this. So this table is created, and you can see I will upload the table. I will refresh the table here. It's taking a little bit of time. So let's populate them. Let's populate with that table STGBIS spend with all the 4 spending table from 2015 November, December to January, January and February of 2016. Execute. Yeah. So now it is populated, and it shows the 14,000 something rows. Now let's it have like personal expense and name withheld. This table have this. So let's run it. It shows that this some columns have this. So we have to remove them. Uploaded, and now it is removed. Now let's move to the cleaning part and invalid sub. Let's see invalid supplier. There are some things that must not be in the column, like these characters, and something like this in column 2 entity and expense area. We have to remove these, and so to remove that we have to execute code here, and we have to clean them. So after that, I need to check the in the STGBIS spend there are null rows, so we have to remove those null rows. So let's see how many null rows are there, and then after running those we have to remove them. So see, it will show some null rows here. Total how many rows? 1800, and we have to remove the null rows. So now remaining are 12,600 something. And now let's create dimension fact table, dimension and fact table. So to create these, I'm going using this command. So let's execute. Yeah, so sorry, I have done 2 times executed, so that's why it's showing error. Now they are the tables are already here. When I refresh it, it will show the tables. Now let's populate those dimension tables. different dimension table, dimension date, dimension expense type, expense area, and supplier are formed here. So now let's populate this dimension table is one by one. So when I execute it, it will so it will be populated. Now let's after that let's populate the fact table and join them with the dimension table. So this is my star schema, main star schema that I'm going that what I am doing. So it shows successfully. And now let's execute this command. Sorry, there is some errors. Let's execute from here.
Supply name and total amount that is by month. You can see here the data. Similarly with the expense type, 2 months.
It's taking a little time. So while executing, I will show you we'll move to task 4A. The star schema is already done. Now for task 4A, I have to show the top 3 suppliers overall and of the top 3 of all months of 3 months. So let's execute it. It will show 2 tables. This supplier name with the top 3 suppliers, and by the second one is for month. So in the second task, we have to expense that in the 2 month total spend greater than average 2 months. So we have to execute it, and let's execute it here.
In CSV that I have executed.
Yeah, here. So and we have to download the JSON file. So for the JSON file, again I have put another code here so that the JSON file will be properly downloaded. Otherwise, the error JSON file is downloading. I have explained that in my report. So now let's move to for C, where we have to show the different types of we have to change convert date into different types, and we have to show that their rankings ranking from how the ranking is changed and their expense type. So positive rank change means the it moves up in the table, and negative ranking means move down in the table. So similarly for 4D, we have to it's a time hierarchy. In a time hierarchy, it's we have to I have made a time hierarchy in which there are different things that year, quarter, month, and it is month, year number is changed into this, and their ranking is shown here, and their percentage is total shown here. So now I have to for the proper download of my CSV file for Tableau, I have to run over all these codes so that it will be properly executed, and I can download the files for my Tableau. Okay, so after execution, you can see the files here. I can download these tables in the CSV form, and now you can see my Tableau whole here, and in the these are the top 3 suppliers overall. When I hover this, you can see in the total spend on this one, and supplier name, top 3 suppliers by month, expense type with above average 2 month spend. Similarly, monthly expense area ranking, supplier time hierarchy here. Supplier hierarchy has year and year ranking. So thank you.